Welcome to EU Empire. Today, we bring you an inspiring story about a young boy named Ollie who followed his passion and built his very own robot. But this isn't just any story. This is a journey that will teach you valuable English words and phrases while motivating you to chase your dreams. Giving up. So, whether you're a learner or a dreamer, this story is for you. Stay with us till the end to discover how Ollie made his dream a reality and how you can too. Let's learn English and unlock your potential together. Ready? Let's begin.
Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a boy named Ollie who had a big dream. From a young age, Ollie was fascinated by robots. He would read books, watch videos, and even build small gadgets with his own hands. His dream was to create a robot that could help people in their daily lives. As Ollie grew older, he didn't let go of his dream. Even though he faced challenges and was often told that his dream was too ambitious, Ollie remained determined. He spent hours learning about robotics, electronics, and programming. He collected parts from old gadgets, experimented with different designs, and worked tirelessly in his small workshop. One day, after many months of hard work and dedication, Ollie's dream came true. He built a robot named Roboid. Roboid was not just any robot. It was designed to assist people with various tasks, from helping with household chores to providing companionship for the elderly. The robot was smart, kind, and incredibly helpful. Ollie's invention quickly gained attention. People from all around the town were amazed by Roboid's abilities. They marveled at how a young boy had created such an extraordinary machine. The success of Roboid brought Ollie recognition and opportunities. He received offers from technology companies and universities, and his invention inspired others to follow their dreams. Ollie's story spread far and wide, and he became a symbol of perseverance and creativity. He used his success to encourage young people to pursue their passions and never give up, no matter how big or small their dreams might be. The story of Ollie and Roboid teaches us that with determination, hard work, and a bit of creativity, we can turn our dreams into reality. It reminds us that education and knowledge are powerful tools that can help us achieve our goals and make a difference in the world.
And that's how Ollie's hard work and dedication paid off. He didn't just build a robot, he built his future. This story reminds us all that with passion and knowledge, anything is possible. Today, we've learned not only about Ollie's journey, but also some important English words like determination, creativity, and innovation. Remember, every time you learn a new word, you're taking a step closer to your dreams. If Ollie can make his dream come true, so can you. Keep practicing your English, stay curious, and always believe in yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to EU Empire for more stories, English lessons, and inspiration. See you in the next video.